Only problem, they're available until Monday, September 1st, only at the New York State Fair in Syracuse, NY, and Tim Hortons has no plans to make them generally available on the market. After doing some quick calculations about whether it was worth driving 4.5 hours either way to try a donut, pro, Buffalo donut, con, 4.5 hours each way, I instead contacted Tim Hortons, who were gracious enough to get a local store, run by a very accommodating man named Raymond Wong, to reproduce the recipe. The original, as a bit of background, isn't just a donut with some spicy creme. It's the creation of local owner Antonin Sechern, who crafts unique donuts every year for the New York State Fair and Tim Hortons. In previous years, he's made a donut that looked like a meatball sub, and this year he decided to embrace the spicy tradition of upstate New York. It's made out of a yeast donut, dipped in hot sauce, topped with spicy crushed kettle chips, and has a hot sauce center. Also of note, the donut can be picked off in small, bite-sized chunks, so you can dip it right in that saucy center if you like.